Hi, I'm Mark, and this is the 6th and last video in our current series about getting started with Python on the Raspberry Pi. This time we're going to be talking about functions. Now, a function is a bit of code that you can run from your main program. It usually does something that you'll need to do several times in your program, but don't want to write the full code again and again. You can also pass the function variables, so that you can do something slightly different each time you call the function. And it's probably best explained with an example. So let's get stuck in. So first we need to define our function and what we're going to call it. So we write def and then our function name. In this case we're going to write a function that multiplies numbers by 10. So I'll call it 10 times. Then in brackets after the name we can include variable names which will receive the value that we're going to work with. Then we type a colon, and then that's our definition. Then we can write the code that's going to do the work. We're going to multiply the value that's passed to the function by 10. So we write new value equals value times 10. Then to finish the function, we use the return statement to send back our new value to the main program. That's all we have to do for our function, so now we can use it in our program. So we type print, and then in the brackets we call our function, and then write 10 times, and then in brackets our value. We can do this again with a different value, and we'll get a different result. Let's save that and run it. So we see our output is our first value times 10, and then our second value times 10. So there we have an example of how we can define and use functions.